Hey there, homeowners! Kumusta? My name is Phoebe and welcome to another episode of MF Home TV specifically for our dear homeowners with small homes. Eto kasi yon. I recently had a conversation with a friend of mine who is asking me for an advice on how she can make her small studio-type condominium unit look more livable and much bigger. Kami naman dito sa MF Home TV, we always find solutions to your home needs. Kaya naman, for this particular episode, we will be showing you ways on how to make your space look much bigger. Our objective for today is expanding your home without breaking your pockets. Now, expansion through renovation can be quite expensive, but if you give them an illusion that you're expanding without actually renovating, that one is quite achievable and less expensive. The closest thing that you can do to an expansion without breaking your pockets is through the magic of mirrors. Now, we've often tackled how important mirrors can be as a tool to maximize your space because mirrors reflect light and the space in your home, giving it an illusion that you have a much bigger space. Mirrors will make your home look like it has extra room kahit wala naman. Ayan, so na-expand na natin ang visual space ng bahay mo. Let's move on to our tip number 2. For those of you who are living in a studio-type condominium or apartment, just like my friend, you can actually maximize the functionality of your space through the addition of dividers. But FYI lang, refrain from using bulky dividers. What do I mean by this? Yung malalaking mga bookshelves, panel dividers, or anything that is just too big for your space. Nakakaharang siya sa visual space mo and you don't want that, especially if limited lang yung space mo. It will actually give you a feeling of being claustrophobic, parang hindi ka makahinga. So what you want to do is maximize the use of smaller furniture like a console table, buffet tables, and the like. Better yet, make a distinction between rooms with furniture you already have. Kamukha nitong sofa. By facing its back towards a space, it marks the end of an area. Yon. Pag low lang yung dividers mo, walang nakaharang sa visuals. Of course, we have given you this tip before, but let me repeat it again. Hang your curtains high. Kung gaano kataas yung windows mo, go beyond that. Doing this elongates your walls, giving the illusion na mataas pa yung ceiling mo. Also, make sure that your curtains touch the floor. Moving on to another important tip, natural light is a must. If a light is able to come inside your room, that means your area is well ventilated and open. So make sure not to block your windows and sliding doors. These are the entryways for your natural light. When you do this, your home becomes more breathable and cool. Down to our last tip, which is also a necessity. Speaking of breathable, make sure that there's a breathing room. Don't overcrowd your space with too much furniture and clutter. Make sure you only buy the essential furniture and storage units that you need. Better if you buy a dual-purpose furniture that can also act as a storage unit. Visit www.mandauefoam.ph to browse for these kinds of furniture for your home. So ayan na, just a final reminder, you need your space to move around in your home. Hindi mo yan mamamagic ha? So there you have it, to our homeowners with small homes. I hope you will be able to use the tips that we have given you to give your space a much bigger look. Now, if you want to see more contents like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe on our channel, and click on that notification bell for you to be updated. Thank you so much, homeowners. Till next time. Comment of the week. Congratulations to last week's winner.